Today, we will learn how to create easily professional poster design in few minutes. First, select rectangle and create gradient background for more contrast in design. Then go to freepik.com for relevant background that you are looking for. Here you will find free vectors, images, videos, mockup, and many more which will increase your work speed. Copy the downloaded image and paste it in your artboard by press Ctrl+V. Then create another rectangle, then clipping mask it with the background. Bring your PNG images, then adjust according to your design imagination. Add your text to design and font style that you like. Once you're done, select all the text, then go to Edit, then Copy, then Paste it back. While back selection is selected, go to Effect, then Blur, then Gaussian Blur to make glow effect in backside of the text. After that, select top of the text, then go to Effect, then Stylize, then Drop Shadow to make shadow effect. To make PNG images black and white, go to Object, then Rasterize, then select Grayscale and Transparent option. To make perfect shadow for the image, make a copy of the image by hold Alt and drag mouse. Then go to Edit, then Edit Color, then Color Adjustment, and follow my steps. Then add blur into it for more perfection, then Follow my step for shadowing other images. Have to make the image vector to apply free transform for shadow perception. To add glow and other finishing touch, follow my step. By pressing Ctrl plus third left bracket, you can send top object to back. I hope you have learned something from this video. Please don't forget to like my video and subscribe my channel.